when I look at this question, what I want to do is, of course, plant it in. So I write 15e squared over here. I write -2 over here, -7e over here. Let's list down the factors of 15e squared. So when I look at 15e squared, let me list down the multiples, okay? 1e times 15e. We also have -1e times -15e, correct? Because negative and negative gives me positive. Make sense? And then we also have 3e times 5e. Make sense? We also have -3e times -5e. Okay, so these are some possibilities, or these are some factors that you can explore. Make sense? Now, then when I go to -2, all right, I have -1 times 2. I also have -2 times 1. True? Yeah? Okay. Yeah, so where I want to get to, this is my goal. This is my goal. What's my goal? My goal is to get to -7e. Make sense? All right, so let's try a few. So what I'm going to do is first, I'm going to try the first one. Okay, I'm going to use red. When I have 1e and 15e, all right, so let's say if I were to use this now, okay, now, then I put -1 and 2 over here. Does that bring me to my answer? Let's see, -15e, and then this is 2e. Does that bring me to -7e? No, it does not, right? So, yep, the first one doesn't work at all. All right, so then we go on to the second one, -1e and -15e. Okay, then I put maybe say -1 over here, 2 over here, right? This does not bring me anywhere close to my answer of -7. You understand what I'm saying? It does not bring me anywhere close, right? So therefore, cannot as well. Okay? So I cancel this now. So I'm left with these two, right? Now, when I look at -7e, I am hoping that it will be -10e over here, then over here will be 3e. You understand? So instead of working forwards, now we are trying to work backwards. You understand what I'm saying? I ask myself, what do I want? And then I now work backwards. Make sense? I ask myself, what do I want? So what is it that I want? I want -7e. Agree? So if I work backwards, right, isn't it true that these two has to be -10e and this has to be 3? Make sense? So how do I get to -10e? I look at what I have. Is it more suitable for me to put 3e over here, or is it more suitable for me to put 5e? Definitely 5e. Make sense? Right? Because 5 times something gives me -10. This has to be -2. Make sense? Then this has to be 1. So I'm actually using this and definitely using this. Right? So over here, okay, I will have 3e. I apologize, I'm not using the last one. I'm using the third one. Can you all see that? Can you all see that? Yeah, you see 3e times 1. So I'm just going to highlight for you. 3e times 1, does that give me 3? 3 times 1, does that give me 3? Yes, for sure. 5e times -2, does that give me -10e? Yes, for sure. So that's the reason why. So your answer for this question has to be 3e minus 2 and also 5e plus 1.